Hello everybody, we're glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can change name on Teams. So to begin with, tap on your avatar picture at the top left corner, like so. As you can see, this little sliding menu appears. From here, tap on your account details, like that. Upon here is your profile details page. Then once you're ready to change your name, tap on at the edit text over here. Then among the options that this pop-up window provides us with, go for edit name and simply type in the name that you would like to be displayed for you from now on. So I'll rename myself to, let's say, Reset Heart, and then just save the changes. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.